In the world of fidget spinners and time-lapse videos on Instagram, there are a lot of interesting things out there that we can gain a sense of pleasure from. Sometimes we find ourselves scrolling through our feeds and pausing on the simplest videos that give us a weird, calming feeling. Here are 15 things that are incredibly, inexplicably, really satisfying. You probably won't be able to look away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button for more videos. Enjoy! Number 1. Calligraphy. Watching someone write in fancy letters doesn't sound exciting, but it's actually very fascinating. Seeing how this guy places and loops his letters to form a phrase looks so artistic. You can't help but wait to see how it all comes together. Number 2. Catching waves. It's so simple, yet so soothing. Watching these waves get caught on the boards of the pier is like watching someone slide their fingers across a piano, except more fascinating. Just letting nature do its thing. Number 3. Soap shaving. Slicing up pretty colored soaps into thin shavings is also a lot more interesting than it sounds. Once you start watching this video, it's hard to look away. Number 4. Artistic paint mixing. At first glance, this looks like frosting in the form of a cupcake, but it's actually strategically placed globs of paint. As you watch the first slowly mixing the colors into each other, a lovely shade of purple is revealed. Number 5. Gold leaf and slime. Gold leaf is always nice to look at, but mixing it with clear slime is even more visually rewarding. It's really cool to watch it break up into smaller pieces. Number 6. Chocolate factory. Watching almost any kind of chocolate on a conveyor belt is pretty mouth-watering to watch. But watching these little marshmallow cubes get perfectly coated in chocolate is especially pleasing. Number 7. Dominoes. Some people draw, some people design digitally, and some make amazing pictures out of dominoes. Watching these extravagant designs topple over a little bit of time gives one the weirdest sense of enjoyment. Number 8. Cake decorating. Watching cake decorating videos is always satisfying. It's so easy to get lost in a stream of them in YouTube. Professional bakers and decorators get so creative that it's astonishing to watch the process. Number 9. Nail art. Watching someone create really amazing nail art is also super impressive to stare at. Similar to how it is with cake decorating, it's easy to watch about 10 of these in a row. Number 10. Bubble wrap. We all know the pleasures of bubble wrap. No explanation needed. Bubble wrap is a pliable, transparent plastic material used for packing fragile items. Regularly spaced, protruding, air-filled hemispheres provide cushioning for fragile items. Bubble wrap is a generic trademark owned by Sealed Air Corporation. Number 11. Pin art. There is a reason almost everyone had the classic pin art toy as a kid. It was so cathartic to watch. Number 12. Drawing time-lapse. Watching someone create a drawing or painting in fast forward is also fun to watch. It's almost hypnotizing because you can pay to see how the artist goes from a blank canvas to a beautiful image. Number 13. Flip books. A flip book or flick book is a book with a series of pictures that very gradually change from one page to the next, so that when the pages are turned rapidly, the pictures appear to animate by simulating motion or some other change. Number 14. Perfect eyeliner stroke. Okay, so this probably doesn't happen often in real life. But this scene in Mulan is so satisfying. Can I learn how to do this, please? Number 15. Pro card shuffling. I can barely shuffle my Uno cards properly, but watching these guys shuffle is mesmerizing. The appeal of oddly satisfying videos is thought to lie in the human's mind's preference for symmetry, patterns, and repetition, or in an innate human interest in exploring the behavior of materials or in hand movements. It may be related to the autonomous sensory meridian response, a pleasing tingling sensation. Evan Malone, a professor of art and film philosophy, theorized that the appeal of oddly satisfying videos may lie in the portrayal of everyday experiences as cinematic and, in Baudrillard's words, hyper-real. The effect of watching such videos has been described as a brain massage or lightly hypnotizing, and is a form of psychological self-care to help overcome stress or anxiety. Is there anything we missed? Tell us on the comment section below.